right, guys, I'm gonna do something I haven't done in probably 30, 40 years. I am gonna go to my local little river that runs through our little county. It's the Rolling Fork River. So I've had one of my neighbors was nice enough to let me go back on his property and try it, but this is where it all started, guys. This is where the roots started. At these little rivers like this when I was a young feller. So let's go. He's got me a little spot cut out here. They actually sell topsoil is what this is. So here's what we got, guys. This is some wild river running through Kentucky. Yeah, this little river's probably shallow. Oh yeah, look down through there. I'm gonna attempt to get down in that mess somehow and just play. It's got some current. I'm excited, guys. I haven't been in this kind of situation in years. But I would come down here and I'd fish this spot, and then I'd be looking down river a little bit. Find me another spot, I'd get down, the next thing you know, I'm 5 miles down the river from where I started. But let's try it. Let's get on it. All right, here we go. The first trek in many, many years. Let's see if I can break a leg. All right. Yeah, it looks like I dodged the itchweed. Yeah, that's some bad stuff here in Kentucky. I don't know if anybody else has itchweed on the rivers where you're at, but this stuff is bad news. All right, let me try to attempt this. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. We're down here. I'm gonna put some baits out. This river's not as big as I remembered it to be when I could almost jump across the thing. So my equipment's probably too big. I do have one light tackle. I don't know if there's any catfish in here, but I'm in for catching some drums, some perch. I did bring some skipjack. It's probably gonna be useless, but I'm gonna put that on there and I'm gonna fish with some night crawlers. I'm only going to use little bitty stuff. Ain't very deep at all. But now them big fish do come up in here, and there may be some fish still sticking up in here. But this river leads into the Salt River, and the Salt River leads into the Ohio River. And I know there's big fish that come up in here because these noodlers, they got noodles way up in these rivers, where these big fish come up out of the Ohio River and spawn up in here. All right, guys, my first spot didn't pan out. Just too shallow. I think I need to get up above that log jam. So here we are in the jungle, trying to dodge the itchweed. Yeah, I'm gonna get above that stuff. What we got down here? Ouch. Oh, these are mussels. Big pearlies. Yeah, this is so much different than what I've been doing the last 30 years. Hey guys, this is where it all started at. I always lived within about a mile or two of these rivers growing up, and I could ride my bicycle halfway and walk the rest of the way. But I can remember walking through the cow fields and kicking over the old dried cow patties, and that's where I got my worms at. I dug my worms on my way. Had a lot of fun when I was a kid. All right, I see a little honey hole right up the bend there. It's Probably gonna take me 20 minutes to get there, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna billy goat it today. Fat man on a hill, watch out. I gotta figure out how to, I got down and gotta get back up. All right guys, I was just about to leave and I seen a guy in need, and I'm gonna have to rescue him before I can take up out of here, but Spider-Man needs my assistance. Spider-Man got run down. What's he got? He's pretty bad shape. He's got his leg broke. His arm looks like it's dislocated. I think he's gonna be all right though. Oh look, rock and roll. Yeah, he's gonna be all right. He's gonna be all right. Let me, there you go. Now he's in good shape. All right, you gotta walk up and over these hills. I think I'm at my last spot that I'm gonna fish today. All over the river's about the same. It's like 3-4 foot deep until I can get down here to really see what's going on, but still we should be able to catch some perch or something. So we're gonna put some night crawlers out and see. What do you think, Spidey? We in a good area? Right there's this ripple here. Should be able to get a perch or something, surely. Getting a bite on a skipjack. I got two of them going on. There we go. I had two of them going on. Oh, what have I got? Oh! All right, guys, here we go. I got some kind of fish. What we got? A catfish. Hey! Look at him, he's mean too. Well, he's mean. All right. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. That's a pretty nice little channel cat. Down here on the riverbank. Oh. This is a wild fish. This fish ain't never been caught before. So he's crazy. All right, we're gonna put him back. I'm kind of excited. And caught that fish on a, well, I got another bite. Caught that fish on night crawlers. All right, guys, I have had enough. It's hot. I didn't bring anything to drink. I've climbed hills like a billy goat. I'm going to head to the house. I did catch a fish. So according to Catfish Dave, it is a fishing video. There was a catfish in that video. Therefore, this was a catfishing video. But now I got to get out of here. So I'm going to let y'all see the trip up and out. There's no way out of here. I can't come the way I came because it's going to take too long. Best thing I can do is go straight up and out. Well, that was on almost a tumble. Almost a tumble. I'm gonna try to keep myself from getting in them itch weeds. That thing right there, you just don't even want to touch it. Itch weeds. Alright guys, that concludes my little trip here. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's kind of where I fished when I was a kid. So every now and again, you gotta get back to your roots. Guys, thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.